Hi guys, and welcome to Mark Bajerski YouTube channel. What a beautiful day it is today. Day 3 of the Pure Energy Healing Academy. It was such a beautiful day for the practitioners. These guys are just, I don't know, just seems to be getting more powerful each time there's a course. It's just overwhelming. So to see, in 4 days, in 3 days, how somebody can change their whole life, let go of everything and become this pure healer, and to heal people and make them feel amazing is just beyond words. Anyway, guys, I could talk about that all day, but today's a great day to talk about something that you've been asking me, and I think it's very relevant to crystals. But I want to break something down in the way that I see it, in the way that I believe crystals are. There is a belief system that people read from books and they hear other people repeat. But as far as I'm aware and what I've seen is, you see, the reason why I say that is because I don't read books or listen to people in that respect. I do listen, but I'm a bit stubborn. I like to know that something works. I don't just believe what somebody says. And that too, if you come to the academy, I don't expect you to believe anything. I expect you to experience it, and then you tell me. I don't expect you to go, okay, whatever you say. That isn't a teacher to me. A teacher is to encourage you to experience something. So when I speak to you, I speak to you about my experience. So like the crystal Bibles and all the crystal books that you get, I don't look at them. I don't read them. I pay no attention to them, because that's one person's perspective of what they've gone through. Okay, so if you believe everything you read in a book, then you're believing everything one person said. A book is one person's thoughts and feelings, but everybody has thoughts and feelings. Everybody has a different perspective of life. Everybody have different experiences to life. Therefore, I love books, but it's one person's belief. And if I take a book like, the Bible, and believe everything it says, then, that's just one person, or, Matthew, Mark, Luke, and John, just one person's thoughts. But anyway, let's get back to it. What am I talking about? Crystals. And do we need to energize crystals? Okay, it's a fabulous question, and I'm going to try and break it down to you as best as I have seen it, and I'm going to try and make it as simple as I can. Okay, first of all, I've got loads of videos out there on YouTube that you can see how to cleanse a crystal. And the reason why I believe cleansing crystals is important, and why I share cleansing crystals, is because these are ways that when our clothes get mucky, we wash them, right? Well, that's the same as anything to do with energy. When there is a crystal, say, left in a home and it's in the corner, you're going to get people coming and going. You're going to get issues with your friends, your family, your loved ones, your partner, and you're going to have bad days, you're going to have good days. Bad days leave a residue of what's called dirty energy. You've got the Wi-Fi, you've got computers, you've got mobile phones, you've got microwaves, and so on, all around. This is called dirty energy. So dirty energy eventually covers good energy. It just hangs around it. It's like when your clothes are dirty, you wash them. So when I say, sure, you can get the crystal and energize it, clean it, tidy it, and it makes you feel better, and stick it in sea salt and water. I like the sea, and let it be there for a day. Take it out, put it in the sun, and there's a few other things you can do. However, here is my perspective on my truth of how a crystal is energized. Okay, has anybody ever heard of a dynamo? Let me explain what that is if you're a young guys out there and girls. A dynamo used to be fitted onto a push bike, and it was a kind of like a metal thing with a spinning disc which when touched upon the wheel of the push bike, when the wheel went round, this disc span and energized and charged this charger. It was called a dynamo. And then inside there would then light your lights. So whenever the charger went down, all you need to do is flick it onto the bike again and it would whiz round fast and charge the dynamo. So it was always self-charging. Well, dear friends, welcome to the self-charger, you. You see, there are days when you are feeling energized, wonderful, amazing, powerful, strong. Those are the days when your crystal energizes from you like a dynamo. And then when it's energized, it sits very nicely on your chest, like here, like this Moldavite or this one, sits nicely. Or you hold it in your hand when you're feeling good and you put good energy into it. You energize it. You are the dynamo at that moment. And then your crystal is fully charged. And then when you're feeling down or you're in the company of negativity or a psychic attack or just feeling rubbish, your crystal energizes you. So when you're all panicking and running around thinking, oh, I need to do this, I need to cleanse my crystal, because your crystal cleanses itself through your happy days. And why do you think I always work towards saying to you, work towards your happiness, work towards happy days, be happy for no reason, work towards your highest energy level. So everything that I've shared with you over these 2 years, there is a point to all of it, because I realized that happiness makes so much difference in everything that you do and feel. And this is just one of those beautiful moments when I say, when you're happy, you cleanse, clear, and energize the crystal that is around you. So whenever I work with crystals, guys, when do you think I work with them? I work with them when I'm filled with joy, happiness, I'm 100%, I've got no physical issues, I've got no emotional issues, I just feel 100%. I am a dynamo at that moment, which means that I can open up and allow this flow through me into the crystal. And that means that the crystal then holds a positive and powerful spiritual energy of memory. Okay? So, when I'm feeling down and not so good, guess what I go for? I go for my crystals. Then they energize me. So it's what I call a beautiful, loving Moldavite partnership. Therefore, my answer to you is yes. It is always beautiful to energize your crystals through the sun, through the ground where you may want to bury them, through running water in a stream, through the sea that you lay in the sea, or you create your own sea in a bowl with sea salt and hot water, and then you put your crystal in when it's cooled down and leave it there for 24 hours. You may want to use the moon's energy, as some people do. I like to use the sun, because there are times that you go through life that you just don't feel energized at that particular moment. And that's when I say this is a good time to cleanse and clear your crystals. But if you are on a really 50% energy level of happiness and low and high, then you can be guaranteed that the highs will always energize your crystals, including your beautiful, gorgeous, divine Moldavites. Okay? That's my interpretation. You can take with it what you want. You can take a little bit, or you can throw it all away and say, Mark, that doesn't resonate with me. And I would say, then go with what feels right for you. And that is right for you, because intention is nearly all of what life is about to make it beautiful. So my intention is, this is what I'm going to do with my crystal. And if your intention is filled with love and positivity and you believe in that, then that's enough. It doesn't matter what you do. You can stick it where up your nose for half an hour for all I care. But if you stick it up your nose with a good intention and power, then it's gonna be brilliant. So stick it where you want, okay? Just don't be going to accident and emergencies and blaming Bajerski.com YouTube channel, okay? Okay, guys, I hope this helped you a little bit. Love you all. Thanks for your amazing messages. And once again, thank you for Gift It Forward. Wow, what a week. You are incredible. And in another few days when my PA's finished sending off the 50 crystals, I'm going to, surprise you every now and again on every video and just send one off to you every now and again. Love you all. I hope I can do as much as I can to help you, including these videos that may help you a little bit. Hope I lift you up a little bit like you lift me up with your messages. You're so kind, so caring, and I feel like you're my family every day. So thanks very much. You make a difference in my life. So from my heart to yours, have a beautiful, gorgeous, wonderful, energized, dynamo you day. Bye.